So I came home to this nightstand. My husband picked it up for me. It wasn't in any good condition, so let's see what I can do. First, I removed the items from inside, removed the hardware. I got a good cleaning, and now it's ready for sanding. I wasn't worried about scratching it up too much. It definitely needed some paint because it definitely was not solid wood. I gotten a new Wagner spray gun from Home Depot. This was my first time using it, so I was still getting the hang of it. So this paint job is more what happens when you don't filter the paint, don't thin the paint, and are using the wrong setting. But overall, this gun still got the job done, and I will get better at this and end up using it a lot more in the future. After I learned a thing or two, I did make a video on how to use this gun properly. If you're interested in that video, please check out my channel or the description for the link. For the nightstand, I chose the navy blue color because I knew it would match well with gold. I knew the stencil was going to be gold, so I painted the hardware gold as well. This is the stencil I chose. I tried to do light strokes. I did about 2 layers, 2 coats. This definitely was my favorite part. I think it came out pretty nicely, but these inside drawers were not cutting it. I had to add some wallpaper. It was the perfect finishing touch, and here is a reminder of what it looked like before. This whole piece was a very interesting learning experience. I did get it for free and sold it for about $45. Thanks for watching.